To recover for negligence, a plaintiff must prove 4 elements: duty, breach, causation, and damages. In addition, in professional negligence actions, a plaintiff must prove that the professional breached his or her professional duty by failing to exercise the standard of care that an ordinary reasonable professional would have exercised under like circumstances. In Osborn v. Irwin Memorial Blood Bank, the California Court of Appeal considered whether a blood bank breached its professional duty of care by failing to perform certain blood tests and screens. In February of 1983, 3-week-old Michael Osborn contracted the AIDS virus from a blood transfusion performed during surgery at the University of San Francisco Medical Center. The blood used in the transfusion was supplied by the Irwin Memorial Blood Bank. Subsequently, Michael's parents, Paul and Mary Osborn, sued Irwin and the medical center in state superior court for damages, asserting various causes of action. The case went to a jury trial, and after the Osborns rested, both defendants moved for non-suits. The court granted the motions, except for the Osborns' claims for negligence and intentional and negligent misrepresentation. At trial, experts on behalf of the Osborns testified that Irwin's blood testing and donor screening practices prior to Michael's surgery were negligent, given the concerns nationwide about AIDS. Specifically, the experts testified that Irwin didn't perform anti-HBC testing for hepatitis B on its donors. By contrast, experts on behalf of Irwin testified that Irwin's blood testing and donor screening practices at the time were consistent with blood banks across the country. The medical center moved for a directed verdict on all claims against it, which the court granted. The claims against Irwin for negligence and for intentional and negligent misrepresentation were submitted to the jury. The jury returned a verdict for the Osborns, awarding them and Michael damages. Irwin moved for judgment notwithstanding the verdict and a new trial, which the court granted on the claims of intentional misrepresentation and negligence. The Osborns appealed to the California Court of Appeal.